Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't download apps on iPhone. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to tap on your iPhone name right at the top. Then you are going to tap on media and purchases. It's right below iCloud. And from here, you want to tap on View Account. And here you simply want to check if your Apple ID is signed in and if it's requesting your password. And you will also tap on Manage Payments. And from there, you don't have to enter a credit card, but you can if you have a credit or debit card that you would like to do purchases with while using your iPhone. And I would also recommend that you tap on country and region and enter your address on it also. After you have done that, you'll simply tap on done. Then you'll tap on media and purchases again. And you're going to tap on password settings this time. And I would recommend that you set it at require after 15 minutes. After doing this, you'll tap on done. And now you will go into App Store, and from here you'll simply try to download an app, and I'm almost certain that now you'll be able to download the app with ease. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.